London is the core place for deal flow for continental Europe. So deals that get done out of Germany or Spain may sometimes be partially done out of London. So you do see a huge deal flow, which is not just UK driven. The second aspect, which I'm going to briefly mention, is that, and that was very restructuring focused, is that the London market, and that was pre-Brexit, because a lot of the, I would say, loans and LBO finance that is drafted under UK law, and because the jurisdiction and the law that is in place is very structured and well tested, most of the restructuring done for Europe was done out of London. So the lawyers, the bankers, the hedge funds were in London, and so mechanically a lot of the deal flow there was an outsized share for London for restructuring compared to the rest of Europe. That's going to change with Brexit now that UK law may not be recognized by other courts anymore. So that may be a big change.